One thing I notice about the new gear, especially the Anvil, is how lightweight it is. For so long I've been kind of lunking around, not even a specific camera bag, but looking at other camera bags, I was really surprised with how light and durable it is. But not only is it durable, really, as I was up on the trail this weekend, it was also soft and comfortable. And I think, something that's as rugged and tough to withstand, to protect your equipment, but also something that's comfortable is definitely important. And with how much gear I carry with me, it's really important, that protection. And I feel very confident with the rugged terrain that we explored, that the Anvil is the answer for me.